for Java full stack development course in JSPIDERS Rajajinagar, Bangalore. Coming to JSPIDERS, it's like a hub of opportunities for placements and learning the technical skills from scratch. So here all the trainers are friendly, knowledgeable, and presentations, grooming sessions, and the mocks conducted by this institute helped me to crack my interview. Recently, I got placed to one of the MNCs with a good package. My interview overall experience was good just because I just came to JSPIDERS and gained the knowledge. So I would like to thank all our trainers. Thank you Uday sir and Keshav sir for who taught me Java in a very easy manner, and I also thank Bhuvan sir for asking and Sharik sir for wonderful programming classes, and I also thank Syed sir for web technology classes, and I also thank all HRs for being a supportive part. Thank you the whole team JSPIDERS. Thank you.